gonna do with these videos, I'm gonna speed up. I'm not gonna make any cuts. I'm just gonna speed up in between each attempt.
Chopper just dropped on A.
Call it Essen Bro
I
greatest
missed
hit.
it.
Help! I missed one too.
Me up.
Fucking jet just fucking.
Hey, reps.
Boat just rocked me.
There you're at.
Oh, they're on the rocks. Oh my
That one-
I'm
god.
repping.
Isn't that where the attack chopper shows up?
Oh shit.
Right there? Where are these bitches? Fuck it, I'm getting down here.
Fuck.
They get you?
Lemon eater, yeah.
Yeah,
I
both of
missed
us.
every toe shot on that guy.
What was he in?
He's in a helicopter.
The attack chopper? Or?
The jack chopper, yeah.
I don't see him. Oh, fuck, I just got shot.
Shit.
Oh.
I'm fucked. I'm in the water.
You're fucking in the water?
Oh, I got fucked in the water.
Pretty nasty.
But I keep it
Yo.
clean.
You okay?
Oh man.
Oh, fuck this little bitch right here. Lasing that fucker on Foxtrot. Holy shit, that's gotta be Legion. That kind of fucking hardware. On Foxtrot, he's lit. He's getting in the water. Oh, this little bitch right here. Come on, hurry, fuck, someone hurry. Hurry, fucking someone sizzle this bitch. I got him lit. There's a hit, there's a hit.
I got hit.
Away from my boat.
He's on foot, he's on foot.
Oh shit, I got killed.
He's on foot.
Oh, fucking relic
There,
took
they
my
got him.
boat.
Accurate AK. Bullshit.
Asshole.
Tell him get out. Get out.
Yeah, like he would.
Tell him you'll send him a boob shot if he gets
Someone
out.
in.
Downwell
Someone
should
in
send him
prison.
one of Dom's middies.
Yeah, the flat earther.
Fuck.
Send him a picture of Dom's middies.
Oh shit, I don't have reps. Oh, it's relic anyway.
No, I got out of his boat. Got one more on.
Fucking this guy.
You're fucking that guy?
Fucking
Got a lot of
asshole.
people on Charlie.
I just want to shoot people. I don't want to play
I see you,
boats.
Jose. Oh, shit! I got sniped on the island.
Got that attack plan.
I just saw the debris fall down.
Ah! That is on a boat. Is that F-Frank?
Yeah. I need some help on that.
I spawned, but he shot me.
Yeah, he's shooting me right now too. Fucking guy at Rommel's World. How? We need some pilots or something. We need Essenbro to kill these fucking people.
The AA's right outside.
I don't have slams, so I can't really do a whole lot with those boats. It's like it doesn't matter which side I'm on, they got both sides covered. Where's Essenbro with his boat?
I'm running out the back. You guys tried to.
Do you want me to come in and repair?
It's alright. You can if you want to.
What do you need?
How many meters on F?
Yeah, try and help Relic.
Alright, how
Help
do I
him
get in
on my
there?
boat.
How do I fix you? What the fuck?
I don't know how the fuck that happened.
That dude fucking hit us with one shot. I was repairing you.
I think we got hit simultaneously by shit.
Oh, chopper and beat.
I already hate this map.
I've never hit anything with
Because our
these
entire
cannons.
team's on Bravo, that's why. If you guys want to lock on shit from Bravo, I can launch things from my boat from behind the island.
Okay.
We can wreck a lot of their shit just doing that.
Roger that.
Stay on Bravo, I'm gonna lose.
Yeah.
I'm going Delta.
Okay, so I need to go laze
Okay.
from up there. Is that what you're saying? You
Yeah,
want some
I'll-
SOFLAM action?
I'll let you know when I'm in a boat.
Okay, what do you want lasered?
Just paint. Whatever.
Laser.
I would say boats and labs.
Boats and labs and boats,
Boats
and
and
labs.
hoes.
Boats and labs and boats and labs.
Boots and
Boats and
goddamn
hose.
boots.
Boats and hose and boats and hose and boats and hose.
Okay, I'm in a boat.
Okay, where are you at?
Boat coming.
Fuck, we're even losing Bravo.
Oh, mate. Badness is on the rip boat on.
Yeah, nothing like getting fucked right off the bat.
Oh, fuck.
I got my boat.
Boats and labs.
Boots and
Boats and hose, boats and hose.
I'm gonna ram messing, bro.
God damn, I got nothing. I can't live more than 1 second. No matter where I fucking spawn, I'm in front of the barrel.
I'm getting. Oh,
Yeah.
I can't do shit. I can't fucking live more than 2 seconds.
Yeah, the teams are stacked.
Oh shit. Damn it.
I actually killed someone. Holy fuck.
Lucky shot.
Yeah, no
Jim Lee.
shit. I'm gonna set out a fucking SOFLAM while I can. Or get, yeah, we're already getting fucking sizzled. LAV
Oh,
fucking
fun.
shot me. God damn.
ah! Oh my god.
Okay, that's it, bro. You ready?
No, a guy just rammed me.
Oh shit.
I'm up here.
You have some missiles? Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's do this.
He's over in the channel between
Yeah.
Echo
there.
and Foxtrot. Oh, he's trying to shoot me. There he is. He's lasered. Fucking somebody, hurry.
I can't. I got rammed.
Oh, he got hit. He's dead.
Dead.
Nice.
Fuck yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
some
there was
coming in
3
here.
of them on there.
God, but jet ski people come just in, come in here.
Gonna spawn on your back, Coog. Fucking shoot that bastard. He's right in front
Another
of you.
boat's lit.
Where's the boat?
Over in front of me.
F.
He just went by F, yeah. Jet ski's lit.
Fuck, where's that coming from?
Someone killed the jet ski.
Or-
So, oh,
Someone
I got
got
it.
it.
Got a boat lit coming from their main. Coming from their main. It's a red.
I got a boat lit.
It's my last shot.
Oh, one more,
Hurry up.
one more. He's dead. He's dead.
Oh, I got one more shot. I don't have ammos.
Nah.
Holy fuck.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna go find ammo.
Can't help you with that. Okay, I got an LAV over behind Echo. He's lit. He's lit. He lit. Come on, someone hit him. Fuck.
Hurry up.
This guy here is ammo.
Fuck. Nobody's
shit.
hitting
I
There's
hit
him.
him.
another
I hit him.
lab
I
right
hit him.
Give me some ammo,
He
dumbass.
just jumped into the other lab.
No way.
You did. It's dead.
Nice.
Buddy, give me ammo.
Someone repair his. There's a rib
Hey,
boat
there's a
on
rib
the
boat
run.
out here.
I got it. He's lit.
He's lit. I got him too.
Give me some
Keep him
ammo,
lit, keep him
Diplo.
Nice.
Get him?
Yeah,
He's dead.
he's down.
Drop ammo, moron.
Hey, Essen bro.
Yo.
There's something on the top of the island
Oh.
in the fort. I'm gonna light him up. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Get up high with the
Got a
quad.
chop.
Whatever it is, I put a thing on it.
Got a chopper coming in from their main. It looks like it's
Okay,
over
lit.
Delta.
That
Dipshit
How
won't
the fuck
give
did
me
they get a
ammo.
lab
I
up
don't see
there?
it. I don't see
Over
it.
G, over
Okay,
J,
he's down.
over G. Someone shoot this fucking
He's
chopper.
down. He's dead.
I
Oh,
can't.
I'm so fucking dead. I hate all of you.
I don't
Chopper,
have ammo to
chopper.
shoot.
Chopper's lit.
Chopper's not F. I'm dead.
Then-
Badness.
Chopper's still lit.
Where?
I'm gonna get more than 4 shots.
Looking for it. I'm looking for it.
He's flaring.
Bitches on foot over by Foxtrot.
What are we voting for?
Man, I'm fucking getting hit so hard right now, and I don't know who it is.
Oh shit, there's a boat back here. That's a... Where we got...
Boat. This Ramos rules guy, man,
Yeah.
he has some powerful stuff going on.
He's good.
Boat on M.
Who's in the chopper?
Get to the chopper.
chopper. Alright, he's gonna be lit. That Ramos rules on F.
Right.
Hurry, man, hurry. Another one. Someone send another one.
Going down, bitch. Oh,
Hurry
tough
up.
guy.
There,
Oh,
he's fucking down now. Stick it. Or you stick it.
Hey, can you guys kick Works? Relic wants to join our squad.
Tell Relic to kick the balls.
We got a boat lit over here.
Cougar.
Who's ready?
Yeah, the ants.
Essen bro, you...
I don't see it. I'm too
Okay, I mean,
far.
you ready? It's over by F. He's lit.
Okay. You just
I got a
do-
boat.
Hard.
I
Nice.
got it. Yeah, Mike.
Fucking try to. Stop. What's up, baby?
Stop.
Somebody on F.
Oh fuck, we just got hit hard.
Losing G too. Got a rip boat lit. Coming into the channel between G and F.
F, G and F.
Hit.
Okay, this
I
way.
lost lock. Lock. Oh, he's heading right for you.
Me? Ah!
He's dead. He's not dead, but his boat's dead. He's right there.
Hey, I got a lab lit over here by G.
Alrighty.
I don't
oh,
see it. Oh, there
Boat
it
is
is.
lab
Okay,
lit.
this way.
It's the AA.
Okay,
Where
keep
is
him
it?
lit.
Over here
Gonna
on
get-
G.
Oh, fucking
Send
badness.
That one,
He's
it's on its
disabled.
way.
Nice. Nice. Very nice.
Badness is between
Incoming
G-
boat over
G
here.
and F on
G's
foot.
lit.
Got it, sent one off the toe. Does it? Oh, he should
Boat
be
is
hit.
lit.
I hit him.
Yeah, you got a hit on.
I got a
Alright.
hit on him. Oh,
He's
he's
down.
down. You also got a chopper coming over, Echo.
Lit.
What are we voting for? Because
Keep
Slud's
flaring.
gonna
Blue
win.
flares, keep him
Hit him
lit.
again.
Where is he? Oh.
I don't know where you're at, Jose, but
This way. He bailed.
yeah,
He bailed.
yeah.
Hey, let's get this flag.
You need to go get A.
By all means.
Firing it. We're on the hill. On the rocks.
Got a boat lit over here.
I think I hit it
Okay,
once.
I'm down.
Oh fuck, they got you.
Was there a map boat already?
Yeah, looks like blood goes.
Oh, radio. Ready. Voting ended. Way
Oh,
bigger
attack
one.
chopper.
Oh, he just got me. The attack chopper just got me.
Ah, I need help with you. I got this key thing and what thing.
Oh. Attack chopper's lit. He's flaring.
Keep him lit. I'm running to the tow right now.
He's going behind the mountain. I lost lock.
There's a guy on foot. Just parachuted in the
He's
echo.
dead. He's dead.
Okay.
Ah!
Oh, he's above you, Jose.
Roger.
Yeah, I'm watching. I don't see
Relic, do
any.
you want to camp A for the attack chopper?
It's
Oh,
this
up already,
LAV.
never mind.
Get. They shoot in.
They're inside F. Got 2 of them so far.
We got parachuters.
What do you see, Cook?
I'm throwing a grenade in.
There's something over there. I thought I saw one more guy there.
No, clear inside. Oh! Got him.
Got him?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm launching a swab.
Where's it?
A Rico Suave.
We got
Oh,
an
the
LAV on
thing there.
Echo.
Can you
Or
mark
a
it?
boat. It's a boat. Got it marked.
Mark, that's an LAV. He's dead.
I got boat lit.
Oh, chopper coming in.
There's an F behind us again. See anyone? I don't see anyone there.
See that chopper right there. Oh, that guy fucking
He's marked.
Chopper's
dodged
lit.
the bullet.
Never-
Yeah. Guy's parachuting out.
Behind us, right?
Yeah, I see him. I'm just trying to be where he can't drop C4 on us. Guy inside the building too.
There's a few inside there.
Fucking. Oh, what is that? Where's that coming from?
I gotta repair it.
Fuck, I'm almost dead.
Oh, stop moving.
I gotta get out of the line of sight at least.
Oh,
Where the hell are they parachuting from?
They probably got a
Yeah.
beacon somewhere. Yeah.
On the roof, maybe? Because there was one guy on the roof. I don't hear him.
Oh, there he's
Here.
still in there. He's in there.
Got a boat lit.
Where?
Nice. Shit, I don't know where the hell I'm at.
Oh, what the fuck just hit us?
Those idiots. Let's go, Charlie.
Boat
Oh,
is lit.
By D.
I sent one.
I
I
lost
sent
it.
one. I sent it.
I lost
Here,
it.
He's
whatever.
hit. Someone was lighting me up. Guy on the roof right there. You see him? He dead. What's that bitch Ramos rules?
That
The
boy
kitchen.
lit.
Hey, him. That Brad. That him. Dude, are we gonna turn this around?
I see him.
Boat going to Delta, Frank.
He's going on me. I'll wait
Delta.
for the helicopters.
Where the fuck is
Right
Delta
in
at?
front of us, in front of us. Go straight. Cross the water, go straight.
Got a lab lit.
Fuck, I have no idea what you're talking about, but this lab right here, this fucking
Okay,
guy.
shoot that guy, yeah.
Need help with this lab over between.
Got the lab
Green-
lit.
Oh, he's dead.
Alright, nice.
I'm trying to get Relic into a helicopter.
Right beside us, back up. Oh my god. We lost Echo.
Chopper lit.
Chopper.
I grab.
Flaring.
On its way. Oh, I got the kill.
To the
Triple.
left, to the left.
Quadruple.
Nice. Hey, I got a boat lit offshore over towards their uncap.
Oh, I see it. I saw it. I saw it for a split second.
Okay. He's backing off. I can't hit him.
Dude, are we gonna make a comeback on these bitches?
We'll get to D.
If I want to go. Oh, look at that.
Ooh, they're on the hill. I totally missed that guy.
Did you?
There's more.
Launching swab.
Like cockroaches over here.
Ah!
Took a hit.
Oh,
Got a
coming
boat
down that
lid.
hill. Oh shit!
Fuck,
face.
we need to get.
Boat.
Yeah.
I gotta
Can you repair?
Yeah.
Hurry up, I need a hit on him.
I sent it.
Ah, shit.
He's down. Oh, I just got 2 more.
Nice.
Very cool.
Sleek. Hold on, I'm pressing too many freaking buttons.
Okay, we lost F behind us.
That's what? Foxtrot?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck that. Go get Foxtrot.
Under the dockety. On the edge of the dock with the thick spot. No, I'm gonna steal this
Take that,
A.
yeah.
Objective Charlie. Spotted an enemy sniper just east of you.
Losing G.
He's over there. You see him?
Yeah,
Oh,
got him.
Yeah, I'll pick you up. We'll go to G.
I got the laser. I'm gonna. Oh, something's over there offshore.
Okay.
Get ready.
I'm ready. I'm ready. There. On its way.
Ah,
Oh, he's down. Whatever that was is down. There's a bitch on foot.
We have control of objective Bravo.
are we making up any ground here?
Yeah? Oh yeah, they had like 500 points earlier.
got
Boat's
boat. Looks
lit.
like it's heading G.
Guys on A.
Be advised,
Boat's lit.
just neutralize objective
Alright, sending it. It's on its way. There's a hit. There goes another one. That fucker's
Nice.
out.
Chopper's lit.
I can't deploy.
He's flaring. He's
There's a
flaring.
guy on swimming
Ah!
for the shore.
Yeah.
Oh
Chopper's
my
lit.
god, this shit.
Ah,
That guy's dead. Oh shit, here comes a boat.
Now we have just lost objective Delta.
where?
He's hiding behind the island over there by their main.
Oh
Lit.
my god, I'm on fire.
Oh, we got a bitch parachuting in that F.
Launching the swab. Get ready, Frank.
Where?
That same boat behind the island.
There's a
Might
guy
have to
on
get-
F. Yeah, there's a guy on F. I don't know how they're parachuting in. I don't know where they're...
Boat's lit, Frank.
Alright, sending it. It's on its way. There's one. There's a hit.
Ah, I lost lock.
Alright.
Jose, I think there's a guy coming behind you. Watch your back.
Roger.
Where's
Saw
Jose
someone
at?
bail
anyway?
up there.
Oh.
It's on the hill by G.
How do
saw
they
someone
keep
bail
bailing
over there
out
where
over
we
here?
went.
Oh,
Or
yeah.
beaking?
He's here.
There's a G again.
I'll not lose G.
They have to have a beacon or something. I'm gonna check these across the water.
That's C4 and that's not ours.
Bailing on G.
Oh, you got a bailer behind you? Got him.
Get him? Oh, I ran over Minty Belly.
I killed him.
Wait.
Hey, you ready to hit that boat behind the island?
Yeah, if you can laze them.
All right, get ready.
I'm ready.
Muffin, you're hacking. You're on a 20 kill streak.
I am?
Okay, lit.
Yeah.
Alright. There, it's on its way. There's a hit. There goes
There's
the
an
second
F
one.
again.
Draco disabled.
He's down.
What got you? He did?
Yeah, he shot down my Suave.
Rude.
Hit, Frank.
Yeah. What?
I don't know where what's hitting me, but okay. It's a guy in those huts.
Oh shit, I got a boat over here.
Yeah.
One in the pool at Echo.
Yeah,
I got
go. Spawn on me and I'll
Solution
drop
G.
you off at the top of that hill. Yeah, just jump out right here. There's a boat over here. Got a rib boat and that fucking boat right there.
Roger. I'm up on G. He's lit.
Yeah. He's lit. He's running too. I got fucking infantry here shelling me.
I'm losing F.
Kid, he got Rommel.
Fuck, I got 17 health. I'm down. Fuck, that was a monster run.
Oh, he's down though.
22 kills.
Nice.
That means I was 4 and 16 when that started. That's pretty bad.
Need help on F.
Alright. Oh, fuck. I just spawned into that fucking bullshit. Where are they?
Might be good now.
They're so flam out, just for shits and giggles. Oh, guy parachuting into Echo. See him? Oh, he dead now. Badness. Heal him.
I got 2 of them.
I got 1 of them. Oh, rib or some kind of little boat going over there.
Yeah, he bailed out behind the island there.
Oh, he did. I'm over by the tow if anyone lights anybody up, I'm gonna jump on this tow missile. And if that fucking LAV spawns, it's back on.
I got that guy that was hiding behind the island.
Oh, you got him?
Yeah.
I help on G. It's pretty quiet, but I'm only in the AA.
Here's Essen, bro.
I don't know.
I'm launching a Suave.
Yeah, we almost came back on him.
Get
Someone
G
got-
back.
Someone got the LAV instead of me.
Oh my god.
No one's pissed off. You guys not gonna move it?
Damn, we almost came back.
Yeah.
We still got time?
No. Now they got the majority of flags now.
Where's Charlie?
Okay.
Oh,
fuck?
By there. Shit.
Yeah.
Oh,
where's
shit.
it?
There's someone on the hut there. Okay, he's down.
Where's the gunship? Oh, I see it.
Oh.
Ah, we fucking brought him down pretty good.
Killed the gunship, but then I got killed in action.
Why is this guy not moving the LAB? It's just here on F. That was weird.
Oh, we all did good.
I think that's the longest kill streak I...
Oh, listen to that guy. Came.
Like the ball sack. You were the best squadron.